Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA's chart continues to form a diagonal pattern here, or at least it looks like a diagonal at the moment, but to really have a diagonal we need one more high on this 4-hour time frame. The structure started likely in June and we had this wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, wave 3 to the upside. We talked about all that in previous videos, and this wave 4 pullback zone was reached as well. And the idea was that from somewhere from here, a fifth wave should start. And that happened. The question is just, has the fifth wave started, or do we get one more low into the support region before we go higher? This is what the microstructure is going to tell us. So there's no need to try to impose our view on the market because we don't know at this stage. The market doesn't really show us a first 5-wave pattern to the upside yet. If the market shows us a 5-wave pattern, we can say, okay, probably, possibly, the low was in this wave 4 there, but until it happened, we cannot really confirm it. And then if it happens, we can add the next support zone for the price to form a higher low, and that would be the next setup, and therefore we need to wait for the 5 waves and so on. But the bottom line is this, I would prefer one more high. Okay, if that happens directly or after one more low, well, we have to look at the 1 hour time frame for that. But that's the main takeaway. And if one more high occurs, the fifth wave, in this diagonal, then it ideally targets the area between 85 to 96 cents. Okay, now looking at the 1 hour time frame, we can see here that so far from the 23rd of January low, by the way, a day on which many coins seem to have bottomed or at least formed a more substantial low, that since then only 3 waves up formed. However, the third wave, highlighted here in yellow, reached the ideal or one of the ideal targets, the 1.618 extension level, which acted as resistance, and the market is now pulling back in this wave 4. I gave you, once we saw that a pullback started, I gave you a support zone, target area for this 4th wave. The price has nearly reached it now. An ideal target would be the 38.2 retracement at 6.9 cents. So I would like to see it reach that. At the moment, I'm counting this 4th wave as a WXY structure. And basically the idea is we're now in the Y wave, which is an A, B, C structure. So the C wave of wave Y of 4 should ideally reach this zone, should go a little lower, at least below the A wave low, which was at 57.5 cents. So one more low would be preferred in wave C of Y of 4. And we have micro support at 56.9 cents, 54.9, and then 52.9. And the ascending trend line, the lower boundary line of this trend channel, which together with the upper boundary line forms a parallel trend channel. So, that could offer some support as well. And then if we find some support here, a 5th wave to the upside should follow. That should take the price to 66 or 68.8 cents. However, that is not the main 5th wave of the larger diagonal. This would only be within this microstructure. And if the market can give us the 5 waves up, then we can look for a pullback zone that we can add to the chart for the next setup, and then the price could reach higher prices to 85 to 96 cents. That's sort of the roadmap I'm following at the moment. If we see a break below 52.9 cents, which can happen. I mean, at the moment there's no confirmed low in place here, no local low even. So if we see a break below 52.9 cents, I think it's likely that the market will test at least 43.9 cents in the white count, which is the short-term bearish but still bullish alternative. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.